reusable menstrual pads. Now, if you don't have a menstrual cycle, that is completely fine. You can still use these. These will benefit you as well. If you have incontinence, I'm thinking I'm saying that right, or bladder leakage, you will also be able to use this. So when they come to you, they are all in a pack like this. I am going to take them out of this for the sake of this video because it is extremely loud with the crinkling of the plastic. Okay, I have not used mine yet, but in this starter kit, you do get 6 pads. And this is the HighOh period starter kit. So you get 6 pads and you get this bag, this leak proof bag. So this whole kit here is $32.99, but don't worry you guys, it is well worth it. They do last up to 3 to 4 years. So that adds up. You have 6 of them and you're only paying, rounded up, $33 for 6 of them. That's a lot of money that you're saving in a year. So let's take a look at this. Here's what it looks like. It's really, really soft. This is made out of bamboo charcoal. These are machine washable, so that is completely great. So these do come with the little clips here that goes around your underwear. So this part, this black, solid black part here will be what's laying against your panties. And this top part here is going to be what's going up towards your private area. These, like I said, are very soft. They're nice to touch, and they're thick, but they're not too thick. They do feel very durable and long. What I like about this is they are 25 centimeters long and 18 centimeters wide. That is awesome, because for us plus size people, we need long pads. These are leak proof and recyclable. So if you're someone who likes to recycle, at the end of these, at the end of the life cycle of these reusable pads, you are able to recycle these, because they are. When you get done, after you get done using this for the day, you just take it and roll it up like this, and you snap it together like that, and then you put it in your bag. Now you can, as you change them throughout the day, you could just put them in here and then wash them all at once at the end of the day, or you can wash them as you go if you have that opportunity. Now I have seen some people on wash this whole thing, like put them in there and just wash the whole thing. I don't fully recommend that. I don't fully recommend that. I recommend taking them out of that and opening them up, back up, and washing them that way. Okay, you guys, this has been my review on these all natural reusable leak proof menstrual pads. I do recommend these. They do seem to be very durable and they're good quality. They are at a very good price as well.